This race. The quarter, as you can tell, was not the favorite. She was the number 2 favorite over Sternbird. She's the number 1 horse. But she just took out Sternbird. There's Sternbird on the outside. Mine's on the rail. She destroys Sternbird. She's definitely a champion in the making, I tell you. No 777. She takes off. You can see Sternbird way over on the outside. Sternbird didn't stand a chance against this filly. Not even come close. You can put it. You see the gap she put away from her. There's no catching my filly. Sorry, Sternbird. I know you're a really nice filly, but thank you for watching, and I'll have some more updates.